Hi, my name is Evan. I'm a cloud engineer, and I would rate Visual Studio Code a 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. So before integrating Visual Studio Code in the environment, we attempted to use Atom and Sublime Text, but due to constraints around licensing cost, we chose to go with Visual Studio Code. So we chose Visual Studio Code because it's free and open source, and it has more community support and extensions available than the other editors we tried. So it's very easy to integrate in our environment, being that it's open source. There's a number of desktop clients available for every operating system in the enterprise. There's even a fully featured web GUI, so you can access it from any platform. For those considering Visual Studio Code, I'd recommend you try out the application on every operating system you plan to use it on, and especially the web version. And then also check out the natively supported languages and make sure that there are extensions available for the ones that you may plan to use.